Lesson 6 is about exploring thousandths. So in our decimals, we've already talked about this is our ones column, our tenths column, our hundredths column, and our thousandths column. So if we talk about whatever column we're looking at, so in this case it's our thousandths, and we draw that little box, take in everything to the left, we have 234 thousandths. That would be our fraction. 234 over 1,000. So next point says we can write some fractions with denominator of 1,000. 1/4 is equivalent to 250 over 1,000. And we know that because we can take 1/4 and make it something over 100 by multiplying our denominator by 25 and our numerator by 25. So it becomes 25 over 100. And then we can take that and multiply that by 10 to get 100 becoming 1,000. And 25 times 10 is 250. So 250 over 1,000 is equivalent to 1/4. Says we can write decimals in expanded form. So in this case, 4.623, we could write it as 4 ones plus 6 tenths plus 2 hundredths plus 3 thousandths. And that's called expanded word form. And then if we go into expanded form, it becomes 4 plus 0.6, which would be 6 tenths, plus 0.02, 2 hundredths, and 0 plus 0.003, which would be 3 thousandths. So that's our tenths column, hundredths column, thousandths column. And then equivalent decimals, we know this already, that 0.7 is the same as 0.70, which is the same as 0.700. It doesn't matter if we add zeros after the fact. After this 0, we could add two more zeros. It's the same number. So here's your solutions for the next couple. They're not hard to do. You just have to start writing everything down that you know. So in this case, we've put in here 374 over 1,000. Well, we need our thousandths column, so we could go tenths, hundredths, thousandths, draw a little box, everything in the box to the left, 374 in the thousandths column, 0.374. If we go over to page 2 on this same exercise, it talks about recording each number in the place value chart. And the way the place value chart works is our decimals are all in a row here. All our columns line up, hundreds, tens, ones, and then we go into the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So they're very, very easy. 76 thousandths, we don't have anything in the ones, we don't have anything in the tenths, and we have 76 thousandths. So there's the remainder of the exercises. Try them out, see how you do. Should be easy peasy.